In this video, I'm going to show you how to place your cabin air filter on this Honda Civic. Located behind your glove box, let's get started. Open up the glove box and remove anything that you might have inside. Now you're going to want to squeeze in on both sides of the glove box simultaneously so you can tilt it down, which will then expose the location of the cabin air filter. There's a tab right here that you have to push in on, and same on the other side. This whole tray will slide out, and there's the filter. Push on the filter upwards from underneath, and it should pop out. Okay, there's the old filter. Now take your new filter and make sure the direction of the airflow is in the correct orientation. There's an arrow and it should be pointing downward. Also, the reinforced edges should be on the left and the right of the tray, not front and back. Once this is seated, slide the tray back into the airbox. Make sure that clicks. Now press the glove box up. Once it's locked in, put back all your belongings, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.